Loevner LP decreased its holdings in shares of Ishares MSCI India ETF, NASDAQ INDA, by 21.1% in the second quarter, according to its most recent 13F filing with the SEC. The fund owned 643,905 shares of the company's stock, after selling 171,900 shares during the period. Loevner LP's holdings in Ishares MSCI India ETF were worth $20,669,000 at the end of the most recent reporting period. Several other institutional investors have also modified their holdings of the business. PNC Financial Services Group Incorporated increased its position in shares of Ishares MSCI India ETF by 43.4% in the second quarter. PNC Financial Services Group Incorporated now owns 3,639 shares of the company's stock valued at $116,000 after buying an additional 1,102 shares in the last quarter. D.A. Davidson & Co. increased its position in shares of Ishares MSCI India ETF by 90.8% in the second quarter. D.A. Davidson & Co. now owns 3,886 shares of the company's stock valued at $124,000 after buying an additional 1,849 shares in the last quarter. Edmond de Rothschild Holding SA increased its position in shares of Ishares MSCI India ETF by 118.3% in the second quarter. Edmond de Rothschild Holding SA now owns 5,600 shares of the company's stock valued at $180,000 after buying an additional 3,035 shares in the last quarter. Pinnacle Wealth Management Advisory Group LLC bought a new stake in shares of Ishares MSCI India ETF in the second quarter valued at $217,000. Finally, Pinnacle Associates Limited bought a new stake in shares of Ishares MSCI India ETF in the second quarter valued at $217,000. Shares of Ishares MSCI India ETF, INDA, traded up 0.89% during trading on Friday, reaching $32.85. 3,781,281 shares of the company were exchanged. Ishares MSCI India ETF has a 52-week low of $25.79 and a 52-week high of $34.90. The stock's 50-day moving average is $34.10 and its 200-day moving average is $32.69.